Hello, good morning. So today in this class we are going to see the logarithm part 2. In the last class we have discussed about logarithm, what is a logarithm and how to solve. So in this class we are going to solve 10 to 15 problems related to logarithm, to convert exponential form into logarithmic form, as well as to convert this logarithmic form into exponential form, and to find the value of base and exponent. We are going to see these three steps in this class, and we will try to solve 10 to 15 sums related to this logarithm. So let us start. First question is given as to convert this exponential form into logarithmic form. So we have learnt yesterday this, see, 2 power 5, this is called base, this is exponent, index or power, and this is the answer. So we have learnt that to convert this into logarithmic form, first we will write log, and what is on the right side, we will write log of 32, and the base we will write here log 2 of 32 equal to exponent we will bring on the right side. This we have convert this exponential form into logarithmic form. Second question, see, 4 cube is equal to 64. So first we will write as log 64, we will write as it is log of 64, base we will write here 4 equal to exponent will bring on the right side. So first two steps we have solved to convert from exponential form into logarithmic form. Let us see two more sums. Third question, 2 power 3 is equal to 8. So to convert this into logarithmic form, simple step, log 8 we will write what is on the right side, we will log of 8, base we will write here 2 equal to exponent we will write on this side. So let us see one more example. Fourth question, 4 power 2 is equal to 16. 4 square is equal to 16. Let us see log, very good. First we will write log, then what is on the right side, log of 16, base we will write as a 4 equal to exponent we will write as a 2. Band karo. First question, see, now we will see to convert into exponential form. We have solved 4 questions to convert from exponential form to logarithmic form. Now let us see the one more example of converting into exponential form. We will convert the logarithmic form into exponential form. Let us see, log 2 16 is equal to 4. This is given as. So logarithmic form is given. Let us see, take one more question. Log 5 125 is equal to 3. So converting into exponential form, first what we will write? We will write the base. Very good. 2, right side this power 4 equal to this log of 16 we will write here as 16. See here, log of 125 with base 5 and this exponent 3. So how we will write? 5 cube equal to this 125. So this is the method to convert from logarithmic form into exponential form. Let us see two more examples. 3, log 36 equal to 2. So how to write into exponential form? 6 base then exponent square equal to 36. This next one more question, fourth question. So let us see, log 5 625 equal to 4. How to write this? Very good. First base then power of 4 equal to 625. So now third step. So third step we will see how to find the values of x. So we will see to find the values of base, exponent, as well as the given number. So let us take one example. Log x 36 equal to 2. So in the previous questions it was given that base was given, this log of was given, and the exponent was also given. So we have to just simply convert it into exponential form. But in this question we have to find the value of x. We don't know the base. So first we will convert into exponential form, then then we will find the value of x. So first let us convert this into exponential form. What? X power 2 equal to 36. So we have converted this into exponential form. This is the first step. First step we should convert into exponential form. Then now see, we will square on both sides. Squaring on both sides. What we will get? X square of root equal to 36 root. So how we will get this root will get cancelled. X equal to plus or minus 6. So we'll get this answer 6. So base how what will come? The base log 6 of 36 equal to 2. So for if we will find the value of x in this method, so we have to find or apply this method to find the value of x. First we have to convert into exponential form, then we have to see what question we have to solve. So we have seen to find the values of x, first we have to convert into exponential form, then we have to find the value of x. So now let us take one or two more examples. From this we will see two more examples. Second example, log 327 equal to x. So in the previous question here the value was not given and this exponent is not given. The previous question base was not given, but here exponent is not given. So first we will convert into exponential form. Remember the first formula, we have to convert it into exponential form. So 3 base we will write power x is equal to 27. So this we will write 27. So we know that 3 power x equal to, how to we will write 27, 3 into 3 into 3. We will write this like so, which means 3 power x is equal to 3 power 3. So 3 cube will become 27. So first we will expand this. After converting into exponential form, we will expand this value of 27 into 3 into 3 into 3. So we got 3 cube. The value of exponential form of 27 we got as a 3 cube. Now the bases are same. So we know one formula from the previous chapter indices, that a power m equal to a power n. Then if the bases are same, then m equal to n. The powers will be same. If the bases are same, the power will be same, equal to. We will write as a this, we will apply this formula. If a power m is equal to a power n, then m will be equal to n. So how we will see? X equal to 3. So the value of x is 3. We learn two steps. First, to find the base, we will convert into exponential form. If to find the exponent, we will first convert into exponential form and we will then expand this value. 27 we have expanded. So let us see one more example from this. Third question. Log 120. Log 264 equal to x. So we wrote the question, got the question. Log of 64 with base 2. Base 2 is given and x. So how to convert this? Let us see. First we must know the step. We know that first we have to convert it into exponential form. So what is the exponential form? 2 base power x is equal to 64. And then we know the second form, we have to expand this number. Expand in terms of 2. As here 2 is given, so we will somehow try to bring this as in a form of 2. So let us see. 2 power x is equal to 64 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, 16 into 2 32, 32 into 2 64. So we have expanded this 64 in the terms of 2 so that the bases will be same. So 2 power x is equal to 2 power 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we got SS 6, 2 power 6. So we have expanded this 2 in a form, the 64 in the form of 2. So now we got a, so we will apply this formula in which we have learnt in the previous chapter. A power m equal to a power n. Then if the bases are same, we will write as m equal to n. We know m equal to n. So here m value is x equal to 6. So we got the value of x as a 6. So to find the values of x, we have to first convert the logarithmic form into exponential form. We have to find the exponent, then we have to expand this number in the terms of given base. So we will find, and then we will apply this formula, a power m equal to a power n, and we will find the value of x. So thank you for, that's all for today. We will see in the next class, upcoming videos.